In the heart of Odisha, where the rhythm of industry meets the pulse of nature, a profound commitment to our planet is taking root. This is the story of Prakrit, an initiative by Mahanadi Coalfields Limited or MCL, embodying a powerful vision for a greener, more sustainable future. It represents MCL's unwavering dedication to environmental stewardship, a pledge to nurture the very essence of life around us. In Bhubaneswar, MCL's Prakrit initiative is transforming urban landscapes. At the NICER campus in Jatni, 17,000 seedlings are being planted, creating a verdant canopy. Over 25,000 indigenous seedlings were planted across 15.625 hectares, enriching the habitat for elephants, langurs, deer, and countless other creatures.
और ये जो प्लांटेशन एक्टिविटीज टेकअप किया गया है उसको डैमेज ना होने के बनाते भी हम ये प्रोटेक्शन के लिए ये वॉच टावर भी बनाए।
Across these initiatives in Bhubaneswar, Cuttack and the Chandaka Dhampadak Sanctuary, MCL's Prakrit has committed to planting over 85,000 seedlings. This collective effort is not just about numbers. It's about tangible environmental benefits, cleaner air, improved groundwater, vital soil conservation, and a significant contribution to mitigating climate change. MCL's Prakrit initiative is a powerful demonstration of corporate social responsibility in action. It's an enduring pledge, a commitment that goes beyond mere compliance, reflecting a proactive approach to resource stewardship and community development. Mahanadi Coalfields Limited is not just planting trees. It is cultivating change, inspiring growth, and building a greener, healthier, and more resilient Odisha for generations to come.